That's what it looks like?
I guess. What does yours look like?
Not like that.
Yeah, let me see.
All right.
Gertie, it's time for Brian to go home. Okay. What are your intentions?
Huh?
What are your intentions with my daughter? Do you plan on marrying her?
I don't know.
Well, only married boys and girls show each other their material parts. Okay? Okay, Brian. You can go now. Come back with a ring.
Yes, Mr. Trinky. Bye, Gertie.
Bye.
Goodbye, Brian. Okay. Do you have any questions about what you whatever saw?
Do you have what Brian has?
Yes, I have one, two.
Is yours as big as his?
Sadly, yes.
Can we rent the movie?
Yes.